National Sports Day is celebrated every year in India on August 29 since 2012 to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Dhyan Chand. Today on National Sports Day, we tribute to Major Dhyan Chand, whose magic with hockey stick can never be forgotten. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player widely regarded as one of the greatest in history of sports. He was known for his extraordinary goals scoring feats in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during an era where India dominated field hockey. On this day, every year, the nation honors its sporting heroes with recognition like the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award and Dhyan Chand Award. These are conferred in a special ceremony held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Besides commemorating the great hockey wizard Dhyan Chand's birth anniversary, National Sports Day is also considered to be a day by the youngsters to make name, not only themselves but for the country as well.
We, the Indians, have witnessed it this year at the Tokyo Olympics. 2021 is marked as a remarkable year in the history of Indian sports. For the event javelin throw, Neeraj Chopra won historic gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics. He is the first one from our country to achieve this recognition in athletics.
India's men won their first hockey medal after a long gap of 41 years.
Saikhom Mirabai Chanu is an Indian weightlifter. She won the silver medal in the women's 49 kg category.
Ravi Kumar Dahiya is an Indian freestyle wrestler who won a silver medal at the Tokyo Olympic in the 57 kg category.
PV Sindhu is one of the most accomplished athletes from India. She won bronze medal for badminton singles at Tokyo.
Lovelina Borgohain is an Indian amateur boxer who won a bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics.
Bajrang Punia is an Indian freestyle wrestler who competed in the 65 kg weight category. Punia also won a bronze medal. With these victories, 2021 is marked as a remarkable year in the history of Indian sports. Friends, as our Indian athlete PV Sindhu once said, dreams are what define your individuality. They have the power to give you wings and make you fly high. With constant hard work, confidence and trust in yourself, there are no limits for your achievements. So take this as an example and never give up.